Media Home presents the News Hour at 10 with Arnab Goswami.
But resolute fight of the people of Balochistan. And every time we've had a Balochistan-Pakistan debate, I can tell you the entire country, Tariq Fateh, the entire Republic of India, Ahmad Mustiqan, the entire Republic of India comes together in one voice to support you. You are our brothers and sisters, you are part of our beautiful land, and we share so much of our common heritage. Representing the Pakistani side tonight, and I don't know why Shafqat Saeed is smiling, because if he only hears of the brutalities that are being thrown on the people of Balochistan, I don't think that smile needs to exist. In fact, it's a day for mourning. Barrister Zahid Saeed from Islamabad. Barrister Zahid Saeed from Islamabad.
30 people, 1,000 people
Barrister Zahid Saeed from Islamabad and Ahmad Raza Kasuri. Ahmad Raza Kasuri. Ahmad Raza Kasuri. Ahmad Raza Kasuri. I have put together all the news reports, and first I would like our Baluch friends. Ahmad Raza Kasuri, आप अगर बोलना चाहे तो पहले तारिक फतेह और अहमद रजा कसूरी को बोलूंगा to start the debate, और उसके बाद आप, मैं बस ये कह रहा हूँ that there's nothing to smile or mock, because 21 Baluchis have been killed in the last 15 days, and you should go to Makuran district, Mand city. You should see the houses that have been burned down. And I also want to tell you, in Makuran alone, according to my information, Tariq Fateh, in Makuran alone, 7 people have been hacked to death. And this operation is still continuing. The Baloch freedom fighters were in a clash with the Pakistani army. 2 helicopters were shot down. Different parts of Balochistan, Soran, Nagahi are on fire tonight, and the fight is still on.
Representative of RAW, and you take up their causes very effectively. Well done.
I don't need your certificate.
Alhamdulillah.
I don't need your approval.
I love it. I work for
you ought to you Pakistanis need to really look within on what you are allowing there. It has crossed all lines of inhumanity, Mr. Kasuri. And please hear Tariq Fateh आपको बताएंगे क्या हो रहा है. Tariq Fateh आप बताएं कसूरी जी को क्या हो रहा है बलूचिस्तान में, आप बताइए.
नहीं, कसूरी जी को मैं क्या बताऊंगा. Mr. Kasuri danced the day a Prime Minister of Pakistan was hanged by the military. इनको तो माफ कर दें, जाने दें. But what's happening today, which is my direct reports from Shoran in the Murray Bukti area, is that 80 trucks have entered that place yesterday, along with 6 helicopter gunships, and it's not a question of 10 or 15 dead. My report suggests that at least 100 have died in that adjoining area of the Murray Bukti, jahan there are very crucial part of the place. This is also where Nawab Akbar Khan Bukti had his last stand.
Shafqat Saeed.
He wouldn't know where these places are now. He wouldn't know.
Would Shafqat Saeed know?
He's just
Shafqat Saeed को तो पता होगा.
नहीं, उनको भी क्या पता है. ये दफ्तर के फाइल के कर्नल हैं सर.
हाँ, ये इसको बहुत पता है. ये पैगंबर है, इसके पास वही आती है. इसको बहुत पता है. ये अपने आप को तीसमार खान समझता है, और ये समझता है कि दुनिया, the sun rises from his armpit, and he knows everything. He knows bullshit. He doesn't know what is his faith. He doesn't know what he is supposed to be. He is totally misled, man. And he talks only what is fed to him. He is just a loudspeaker. He is nothing more than that. He has no intellect. If he had intellect, he would not have monkeyed himself in the world like this.
Where you come from? Yeah.
No personal comments. No personal.
Don't talk to me like that. You should mind your origin.
No,
you have lost your origin. I don't know who is your father. You are finding your father.
No personal comments. No. At this point, it stops. No. Shafqat Saeed. I want to just tell you this. Shafqat Saeed. Can I tell you this, Shafqat Saeid, that the fact of the matter is,
I don't take nonsense.
Shafqat Saeed.
मैं आराम से बात करने आता हूँ. ये गलत बात करेगा. He will have help from me. He should not talk nonsense. He must know what he is talking.
May I say something?
Yeah. But Shafqat Saeed once. Ahmad Mustiqan कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. अभी Shafqat Saeed रुकिए. Ahmad Mustiqan आने के आपके बोलने से पहले मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगा, हमारे जो पाकिस्तानी गेस्ट हैं उनको समझ जाए गुस्सा दिखा रहे हैं, गुस्से में है।
This is
नहीं, पहले जो
is
बलूच,
an extremely-
पहले जो MRG 1 मिनट, पहले मैं कहना चाहूंगा
Yes,
कि
this is-
बलूचिस्तान में जो, मैं तो ये नाइंसाफी नहीं कहूंगा, ये बेदर्दी भी नहीं है, ये मतलब कि ऐसे लोग बिहेव कर सकते हैं। मैं डिटेल अगर बताऊं तो आप नसीराबाद, कलाट, दिलबंद, नगाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट के सारे जो हम रिपोर्ट्स आ रहे हैं, जिस तरह से बलोच लोगों को टारगेट किया जा रहा है, these places are being, Ahmar, they are being mercilessly pounded by the military. This same military which gets a bashing from the Indians every time.
Arnab,
This
you are not
useless
involved.
Pakistani army.
Yeah, that-
No, 1 second. Shafqat Saeed,
Thank
suniye.
you.
The Baluch people are suffering today,
Thing is-
but you will suffer in the long term. I will tell you. You remember in
ये सब
September.
नहीं होता कि आप जगहों के नाम लेकर फिर आगे जो मर्जी आए में बात कर दें, या
मैं-
गलत
This
बात
is-
कर रहे हैं आप
this
अपने
is-
सिर्फ
मैं आपको कह रहा हूं,
पाकिस्तान में टोटल अमन है,
Where-
और जो चंद
where-
एक बच्चे कुछ
where
रह गए हैं वो
it's a
भी इंशाल्लाह
serious
अगले कुछ
situation.
दिनों में सफाया हो
The
जाएगा उनका।
most egregious
बलूचिस्तान में अमन आ चुका
violations
है।
of human rights are happening in Balochistan. It's a full-fledged
Now you ask me why
situation
you are
of
laughing.
war
Now look at
crimes
this news.
and crimes against humanity. They are
What war crime?
pursuing a scorched earth policy in Balochistan. In 3 districts of Balochistan, Kalat, Nasirabad, and Tej
Nonsense.
district, this
Nonsense.
brutal Pakistan
Absolutely
army
nonsense.
is repeating the
Ahmad Mufti
brutalities
Khan, you
of
don't
Genghis
know.
Khan
Please
and
don't
Halaku
read
Khan.
scripts. Don't
These
speak what is put in
guys
your mouth.
are the
Please refer
criminals
to
of
the facts.
Bangladesh,
There has
the
been
butchers
no
of
activity,
Balochistan,
just nothing,
and the
except the
butchers
death
of
of 3 FD men in
Bangladesh.
Quetta. There has
They
been no
are
operation.
one.
Nothing
I have
everywhere.
to,
You are
I
just
have to
talking nonsense.
tell the people of India that the victims
Yes,
of Uri,
you are their
the
rep.
widows,
You are their
and
representative.
orphans,
Yes. You are not representing Baloch
whose
in any way.
whose tears are still
Neither
in their
Ramdas
eyes.
Bukti represent Baloch in any
It's
way.
the same way. The Baloch
You are not
women,
representative of
Baloch
Baloch. No
children,
Baloch would own you for being
tears,
what you are.
They have tears in their eyes.
No Baloch owns you, man.
These guys who have been invited
on.
from
No Baloch
Pakistan,
owns you.
this guy is a military
nothing. You are
bearded
nothing of a
mullah. Just like
You are not an
you can
inch of
see,
Baloch
he
crap.
even looks like
You are
Bin
nothing of a
Laden.
Baloch.
And you can see
I know what Baloch
this
are.
guy Ahmad Raza Kasuri, he was instrumental in getting an elected Prime Minister of Pakistan hanged. And he was here in front of the whole wide world threatening me. This is now high time. They want the China, Pakistan endless cheating project to succeed in Balochistan.
Who is working against the interest
just look
of
at them.
Pakistan.
What they
And
have
you
got.
don't look like
They
a
have
Baloch.
got a metro
You don't look
line
like a
in
Baloch.
Punjab.
You are
They have
Mr.
got motorway
Harrison-
in Punjab.
Harrison
And
from,
they have got
from
energy
U-
project
UK.
in Punjab.
You
And
don't
what
look
have
like
they
a
given to
Baloch.
Balochistan.
I'm
Dead
sorry, you don't
bodies.
look like a Baloch.
The dead bodies, our blood.
You're imposter.
This guy
You're imposter.
should
You're
know
not a Baloch.
Where the pins?
You
Where
are
the
not a
pins of
Baloch.
Punjab? The pins of
You are
Punjab.
not a Baloch.
Gwadar is not
You're
a pin
talking
of
nonsense.
Punjab.
And
They
you have-
must
you have sold your
understand
conscience.
that
You have sold your
Kashmir does
conscience.
not belong to Pakistan. They are totally isolated today. I fully
You have
agree
sold yourself
with
to India.
Narendra
You are a
statement
raw agent
that this
and you are playing,
Pakistan
harping on the
is
tune of
a
India. You
mothership
are
of
a
terrorism.
third-rate character
Now
who is
the days
working
are numbered.
against the interest of Baloch.
3 districts
See,
are right now
you come out to
facing the
Balochistan
scorched
and
earth
find out for
policy
yourself
of the
how peaceful is
jihadist
Balochistan.
Yes.
Pakistan
How
army.
taught you a lesson.
This army,
How the Balochis
We'll teach
are
you again.
they must
involved
understand.
in the-
We are Indians.
Shut up,
1.25
officer.
You are an
billion
Indian.
people
You're
Except
talking
you think you are an
nonsense.
Arab who came
You
here
don't
on a
look like a
donkey.
Baloch. You don't look like a Baloch. See.
Well, I look like an Indian. That's good enough for me. You look like some Arab who came from Central Asia on a donkey along with Temur. You are their children. You call your missiles Abdali. The people who raped you, you name your children after those people. Shameless. You call yourself
yes, I'm from
Aurangzeb.
I'm from
You
Central
call
Asia.
yourself.
I'm Afghan.
Are you not from Yeah, you are from Central Asia. You are from the land of Temur. Disgraceful people. Name your children after Temur. Babar.
Disgraceful?
What sort of
We ruled you. We ruled
Yes.
you. We ruled you.
Ruled
we ruled
me?
you. You were
No.
our slaves.
Of course,
You
and
were
we're
our
gonna hit
boot
you
polishers.
back.
You were our boot polishers. That's what was you.
Wait till where
see
the
our,
boot polish goes.
Ahmad,
Wait till you'll find out where it goes.
you know, I
The Bengalis
think
taught you one lesson,
Bramuda
and we'll taught you
Bukti,
to the
Bramuda
second
Bukti
lesson.
is watching from
We were very
Geneva.
fair with the
Bramuda Bukti,
Hindu population.
Bramuda
We were
Bukti,
very fair.
Bramuda
We had
Bukti. Here we
made-
are. Here we
See,
are.
Raja Man Singh
Here we
as a
are.
defense
You
minister.
hang
No.
Prime
Watch
Raja
it.
Total
Today,
as
Mr.
finance
Bukti,
minister.
Mr.
Can you
Bukti,
do
I
it
thought
in
that on a
2016?
program today.
Can you bring a Muslim as your defense minister and
Mr.
Muslim
Kasuri.
as your finance minister? But we did it. See, we brought Raja Man Singh as a defense minister, Raja Total as a finance minister. So we were secular, we were liberals. But you believe in Hindu Tawa. You believe in Hindu Tawa. You are a Hindu.
Okay, Tariq Fateh. 1 second, but
grandfather was Hindu.
You're a Hindu first
Stupid
and
man.
Hindu last. And your
Absolutely.
democracy
Your
is a
great-grandfather
Brahmin
was
democracy.
Hindu, stupid
Brahmin
man.
has got different rights.
Stupid.
Shudra has got different rights. And Kachatri has different rights. And Dalit has got no right. And
the problem
religious
with
Ask your
Kasuri-
great-grandfather
the
who he
Can I
was.
say one thing to Mr. Kasuri?
Mr. Kasuri.
Mr. Kasuri, I want to say something. Mr. Kasuri, Mr. Kasuri, can you hear me?
Muhammad bin Qasim
Mr. Kasuri, Mr. Kasuri, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही
I tell
है?
you, India is a homeland of scores of subnationality. India is going to break up from within.
yeah.
India is going to break up from within. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time.
I want to say something to Mr. Kasuri, please.
Yeah.
Mr. Kasuri, आपसे कुछ कहना चाहता
a person
हूँ.
whose
One second,
name
Mr.
is
MR, okay, MR, just wait. Mr. Kasuri, I feel so sorry for you that today you have nothing but bitterness inside your heart. There's nothing, you represent the worst of what is there among Pakistanis today. There's nothing. You represent the jealousy and the bitterness of the Pakistani establishment against India. Sir, your mind is hollow and your tongue is full of venom. Your mind, sir, is hollow and your tongue is full of venom. Today, I'm saying this to you, sir, on live television.
And telling you that you are the violator of the human rights. You have killed in last 100 days.
Now, what I want to
over
say is,
30 people.
what I want to say is to Bramuda Bukti,
telling this
that Bramuda Bukti, today I would have thought, अरे भाई चिल्ला क्यों रहे कसूरी जी?
That's your level.
चिल्लाते क्यों हैं?
सारी जिंदगी
चिल्लाते क्यों हैं कसूरी जी? बलूचिस्तान वापस नहीं आएगी, 1971 भूल नहीं पाएंगे और कारगिल में जो आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह से आपके जो आर्मी को चाटा मारा था वो फिर आपको दर्द फिर से महसूस होगा. इसलिए आप जस्ट समझ लीजिए. मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूं कि आज के प्रोग्राम में मैं चाहता था कि बातचीत उस बात पर हो कि दिन ब दिन कितने बलूची लोगों, भाइयों बहनों को मारा जा रहा है और कितने बच्चों को वहां पे जो बिल्कुल बेगुनाह बच्चे हैं और बेगुनाह औरतें हैं उनको टैंकों के सामने रखकर उन पे गोली मारी जा रही है. उस पर मैंने सोचा था बातचीत होगी ब्रह्मुदा बुक्ति. But there's no conversation, Mr. Bukti, on that. Instead, I heard with horror a Pakistani guest. No point shouting, Barrister Zahid Said. Today, a Pakistani guest says to a Baluchi that you should be there to polish our shoes. You are there good enough to do a boot polish. This level of racism, Bramuda Bukti shocks all the people watching across the world tonight. There appears to be no remorse on the Pakistani side, Mr. Bukti. Can you tell our Pakistani friends what the situation is in Baluchistan as we speak, Mr. Bukti?
For last 2 weeks, there is a heavy military operation going on. पहले तो शुरू हुआ मकरान में तुर्बत एंड मंद एंड पिछले 4 दिन से दिलबंद, बोलान, कलात इन एरियाज में और कल से चतर, पुलेजी, नसीराबाद, जाफराबाद इन एरियाज में हैवी ऑपरेशन. जो आज सुबह भी यही इंफॉर्मेशन थी कि गनशिप हेलीकॉप्टरों से स्ट्राफिंग कर रहे थे और कुछ फैमिलीज़ को उठा के ले गए, कुछ फैमिलीज़ मंद से तुर्बत से ले गए हैं जो आज अभी तक गायब हैं. और अराउंड 20 to 30 पीपल जो हैं वो उन्होंने उनको मारा है, और इनडिस्क्रिमिनेट बॉम्बिंग थ्रू जेट्स एंड गनशिप हेलीकॉप्टर्स। तो ये सिचुएशन है वहाँ पर। और जनाब शफकत साहब कह रहे हैं कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन। तो आई थिंक पहले खुद अपनी मालूमात में इजाफा करें। बलूचिस्तान में IGFC का स्टेटमेंट आया कल, वो खुद कह रहे हैं कि ऑपरेशन हो रहा है। तो आई थिंक दे डोंट हैव अ कोऑर्डिनेशन, और सिर्फ ये वही बात करते हैं जो इनको बोली जाती है। मेरे ख्याल में पहले मालूमात करें कि इनके नुमाइंदे वहाँ पर क्या कह रहे हैं, खुद तस्लीम कर रहे हैं कि ऑपरेशन हम कर रहे हैं। तो आई थिंक देयर इज़ नो कन्फ्यूजन ऑन दैट। क्या हो रहा है, कितनी तबाही हो रही है, कितने लोग मारे जा रहे हैं, कितना हुआ है, वो उसको छुपाते हैं। पहले से ही उनका वही है कि बताना नहीं है, किसी को वहाँ पर एक्सेस नहीं देना है, एथनिक क्लींजिंग करना है बलूच कौम का।
What is your level of credibility? Who is going to listen to you? You are talking nonsense. You have sold your conscience. You have sold your conscience. Balochis don't own you.
10 years
Balochis don't own you. So please don't talk nonsense. Nobody is listening to you.
एक तरीका कार रहा है कि बहुत अरसे
nobody is believing in you because you have sold your conscience. See, if you have anything to do with the Balochi, come to Balochistan. Come to Balochistan.
देखिएगा तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता स्लो एंड स्टेडी क्लींजिंग, एथनिक क्लींजिंग दे आर डूइंग।
नहीं, ये जो बात हो रही है, अहमद रजा कसूरी, एक मिनट, वो बैरिस्टर जाहिद सईद भी बैठे हुए हैं, मैं सिर्फ ये पूछूंगा उनको, और जरा आप शांति से जवाब दें। बैरिस्टर जाहिद सईद, ये शफकात सईद है प्रोग्राम में, कहते हैं सफाया कर देंगे अगले कई दिनों में। सफाया कर देंगे का मतलब क्या है? सारे सब बलूचियों का सफाया कर देंगे, मतलब आप पूरा, यू वांट टू डू अ फुल स्केल जेनोसाइड, यू वांट टू हैव अ फुल स्केल जेनोसाइड, right, Barrister Zahid Said? What else do you mean by that? Safaya kar denge.
Let me answer.
Yeah.
Who said this?
Shafkat Saeed said it. Shafkat Saeed said it.
But let me say something. I believe that political problems should be settled politically, not by armed forces, like your armed forces in Kashmir. And if our armed forces are doing anything in Balochistan, it is the duty of our institutions to correct it. देखें, आप बात तो सुने ना, बात तो सुने।
We are आपकी क्या बात? You are all liars. You are number one liars in the world.
और आपके
number one liars.
Let me finish. Oh, you shut up. Let me finish. When there is an allegation, you have to substantiate it. Well, we don't believe this fellow. This fellow's in raw pay. How can I believe him? Certainly, if there is evidence against the excesses of our army, it is our duty to correct it. I'm sorry, but we have to check it and we have to correct it. Not quislings who come and say this and that the other. We have to say, you say homes are looted. We will check whether homes are looted or not.
100,000 Bangladeshi women.
The institutions of Pakistan
army rape.
do not permit this.
Do you want to rape?
We have not occupied Balochistan. We have not occupied Balochistan. It was exceeded to
Balochistan was an independent country.
It has every right on our army, on our people, on our institutions, and on our
You don't have an army, you have mercenaries.
And I'm sorry,
Criminals
I'm for human rights. Whether it's in Balochistan, Kashmir, Delhi or anywhere else.
बेशरम, बेगैरत, चुल्लू भर पानी में मरो.
And we are kind of whatever scholars. We have here our honorable Braham Bukti, who will be a founding father of an independent Balochistan.
Absolutely.
These Pakistanis have got absolutely no right to misbehave with the founding father of Balochistan. His grandfather was killed by this army who
He
is
the
a
founding father of
pro-ISIS
adding
army,
traitors to
the
the Baloch history.
pro-Taliban
Baloch
and
had
pro-Al-Qaeda.
history which was
They are
absolutely clear of
Taliban
traitors.
and
now this
Al-Qaeda
Ramdas
in
Gupti is the founding
uniform.
father of
This
adding
army
this
is
black mark
the
in
most
the
serious
history,
threat to
glorious
the
history of
peace
Baloch.
and stability in the world. They are the enemies of Indian people. They are
being what
the
you are.
avowed enemies
Baloch
of
is never an
Afghanistan.
atheist.
They are
Baloch is never what you are.
sworn enemies
are
of the Baloch
absolutely
people.
pure Muslim.
I just want to give the last word.
They are
I just want to give the last word. I want to give the last word to Brahmoda Bhukti. Brahmoda Bhukti मैं चाहता हूं कि आज ये जो प्रोग्राम है ये 80 देशों से ज्यादा में ये टेलीकास्ट हो रहा है।
प्रोग्राम खत्म क्यों कर रहे हैं आप?
नहीं, मैं खत्म नहीं कर रहा, मैं कह रहा हूं कि आज आप क्यों डर रहे हैं? मैं भुक्ति जी को मैं ब्रह्मोदा भुक्ति जी को बोलने दे रहा हूं। आपको तकलीफ हो रही है?
को खत्म करेंगे।
आपको तकलीफ हो रही है?
आपके पेमेंट किए हुए लोग हैं जिनको आपने खरीदा हुआ है।
सुनिए आपके सुनिए शफकात सईद जी, आप पाकिस्तानी हैं, आप पाकिस्तानी हैं और आपसे मैं कभी सहमत नहीं रहूंगा। आपकी जो बेसिक व्यूज और वैल्यूज है गलत है,
कुल बेबस हो गए।
और मैं आपको कह रहा हूं आप जैसे पाकिस्तानियों को अपनी थोड़ी सोच सर्चिंग करनी चाहिए।
आपने जो इतने पैसे खर्च किए हैं,
आप जैसे पाकिस्तानियों को थोड़ी सोल सर्चिंग करनी
आप लोगों को शर्मिंदगी का सामना करना पड़ेगा।
भाई मैं
राजस्थान नहीं छुपेगा, मणिपुर नहीं छुपेगा,
पाकिस्तान
नागालैंड, गोवा नहीं छुपेंगे, आप
गोवा
खुद ब खुद टूटेंगे।
ऑलराइट।
कब तक आप इनको जोर से
ख्वाब आप देखते रहे, ख्वाब आप देखते रहे,
उसके बाद
आप ख्वाब मैं ख्वाब देखने वालों लोगों को रोकता नहीं हूँ भाई। ख्वाब देखिए आप, मैं सुनिए मेरे लास्ट वर्ड टू Brahmoda Bhukti, if people are watching tonight in Balochistan anywhere, any message you have for your people who are suffering tonight, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे सारे बलूची लोगों को?
My message to the people, I have already said so many times कि हिम्मत रखें एंड पाकिस्तान पूरी दुनिया में तना हो चुका है एंड द फ्रस्ट्रेशन आप देख रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तानी पैनलिस्ट जो दिखा रहे हैं और जो लैंग्वेज यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो ये शुरू से ही इनका एक तरीका कार रहा है कि सफाया कर देंगे, ये कर देंगे। आप अगर 10 साल पहले भी इनका एक इनके जो जनरल्स हैं वो भी हर वक्त यही कह चुके हैं कि वेरी फ्यू पीपल और हम सब इनको सफाया कर देंगे, ये करेंगे। दे कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट their terrorist activity.
Verified.
So I think
this fellow who we know is just a propaganda machine.
You cannot
He's
kill.
a propaganda machine.
ये हमें
what do you expect
मार कर खत्म नहीं कर सकते, और ये इनकी सोच जो है, I definitely for sure I do not understand. They are speaking.
Propaganda machine.
नहीं, आप बोलिए वो डर रहे हैं आपसे।
मैं कह रहा था कि मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि इनको शर्म आनी चाहिए कि जो अगर ये हिस्ट्री देखें, व्हाट हैपेंड इन 65, व्हाट हैपेंड इन 1970, इंडिया के साथ जो हुआ इनका जंग, कितनी जंगें इन्होंने जीती हैं, और ये बड़े फखर से कहते हैं, सीना तान के कहते हैं कि हमने इंडिया से जंग जीता है। 65 में जीता क्या है, आप जरा बताएं तो सही, जीता क्या है? आप जरा हमारे सामने तो लाएं, अगर हमें पता नहीं है आप बताएं।
what you have won
in 1965, in 1973, nothing. And this time I am telling you कि ये बलोचिस्तान आजाद मुल्क था और आजाद है। आपकी जबरदस्ती दहशतगर्दाना कार्रवाइयों से कोई चीज,
पूरा पाकिस्तान आजाद है,
कौम खत्म नहीं होगी।
पूरा पाकिस्तान आजाद है।
पाकिस्तान कि आप जब हमें दहशतगर्द कहते हैं,
आप हिंदुस्तान के टुकड़ों पे पलते रहे।
बलोचिस्तान
अपनी शनाख्त
बलोचिस्तान
बनाया आप।
मैं कौन हिंदुस्तान? आपने तो अपना मुल्क बेचा है अंग्रेजों के कहने पर, आपने तो अपना कौम बेचा है। अंग्रेजों को सिर्फ ब्रिटिश के बात पर आपने अपना मुल्क तोड़ा है। आप हमें बताते हैं क्या मुहिब्बुल वतनी क्या है और क्या नहीं है। बिके तो आप हैं भाई। 60 साल पहले आपने ही कहा कि दो कौमी नजरिए पर बना है। आप 2000 सालों से रह रहे थे साथ, अंग्रेजों के इशारे पर आपने अपना मुल्क तोड़ा है। शर्म तो आपको आनी चाहिए।
आप शर्म आप करें।
आई चैलेंज अर्नब कि अगर आज इंटरनेशनली बलूचिस्तान में अगर रेफरेंडम कराया जाए तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी इजी थिंग। आप लोगों से पूछें कि वो पाकिस्तान के साथ होना चाहते हैं या नहीं, एवरीथिंग विल बी क्लियर। अगर आप रेफरेंडम करा दें सब चीज पता हो जाए, साफ पता चल जाएगा कि लोग क्या चाहते हैं।
मॉरल स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है।
लॉजिक तो मैं तो आपको देख रहा हूँ भाई, मैं तो आपको बता रहा हूँ लॉजिक कि अगर रेफरेंडम करा दें, रेफरेंडम इज नॉट इलॉजिकल और अनडेमोक्रेटिक थिंग। आप एक रेफरेंडम करा दें, पता चल जाएगा कि क्या।
अच्छा ठीक है,
आप हमें कहते हैं हम टेररिस्ट हैं।
ओके, सो
जो पैसे मिलते
उसामा बिन लादेन कहाँ से पकड़ा गया, कहाँ मारा गया? मुल्ला उमर कहाँ मारा गया? मुल्ला अख्तर मंसूर कहाँ मारा गया?
कहाँ मारा गया है?
कैन यू टेल मी?
कहाँ मारा गया है? बताएं ना।
कहाँ? आपके आर्मी कैंटोनमेंट के पास मारा गया, इस्लामाबाद के करीब मारा गया।
10 बलूचिस्तान का मसला और बना दे हिंदुस्तान, कश्मीर नहीं छुपेगा। कश्मीर में 80,000 लोग गुम हैं।
यही उनकी है।
कश्मीर में 2.5 लाख
1973 में भी पाकिस्तानी नुमाइंदे एंड पाकिस्तानी मीडिया वाज बिहेविंग सेम कि एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, जंग जीत रहे हैं, बस इंडिया को शिकस्त होगी। एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड? 1965 लाहौर इनके हाथ से जा चुका था।
Okay, Shafkat Saeed,
I think they don't.
Shafkat Saeed, I have to close this debate. I have to close this debate, but I would say one thing, that I personally, I would apologize to all the Baluchis who have watched a Pakistani panelist say that you are only good enough to clean our shoes. That language today, Tariq Fateh and Ahmad Mustikhan, tells me about the depths of racism that some Pakistanis, I'm not saying all Pakistanis, but some Pakistanis, like Mr. Kasuri, have made a horribly racist comment. To all my Baluchis brothers and sisters, I'm sorry for that. More power to the Baluchis, and I think it's a matter of time before that country, Pakistan, breaks up. It's time it does. Thank you very much for joining me. I have to go across to some breaking news now.